Hello guys and welcome to our channel Health and Beauty Secret. Health and Beauty Secret ko arko video ko lagi I've brought a really different type of video today. And त्यो चाहिँ हो I'll be using a sheet mask. अरु बेलामा सधैं मैले homemade remedies हरु ट्राई गरेको थिए या DIY आफैले बनाउने face mask होस् या face scrub या body care को लागि मैले I've always used homemade remedies, but आज चाहिँ मैले एउटा अब मार्केटमा इजिली पाउने प्रोडक्ट को लागि अब let's not call it a review, but let's just call it proper way to use this sheet mask. Your sheet mask, it comes from Skin Light company, and यो चाहिँ मैले भाटबुटिनीबाट 116 rupees बाट ल्याएको थिए. Even you guys can get it there. And so yeah, let's start using this. यो sheet mask चाहिँ moisturizing herb sheet mask हो, and I think it suits my sensitive skin as well. So let's start. It says for all skin types. So म चाहिँ opening को सानो portion मात्रै खोल्छु. I don't want to spill all the serums present inside this. मैले यहाँ काटिसकेको छु हैन. And I think there will be some liquid. त्यही भएर म चाहिँ पहिला एउटा let's see है अहिले छ कि छैन excess liquid अनि. Yeah, there is some liquid. There is some liquid. यसरी मैले चाहिँ यो भाडोमा हाले हैन. Yeah, this is a pretty good amount. I think अहिले यो mask निकालिसकेपछि पनि I'll get some serum यसबाट, but अहिले चाहिँ I'll just be taking out the mask simply. Gently mask निकाल्ने. And त्यसपछि you guys have to store this mask in a refrigerator. यसलाई चाहिँ refrigeratorमा store गर्नु so that you guys can use that really cooled mask अनि face मा पनि एउटा refreshing र chilled effect आउँछ. I'll be applying this on my face. Oh wow, it comes with an eyelid as well. So yeah, अब चाहिँ म apply गर्दैछु यसलाई. So yeah, यसरी लगाउने. यसरी after you apply the mask, just let the mask stay for 10 to 15 minutes, rest. Let your skin absorb all the serum and good benefits of the sheet mask. Even I'll see you guys after 10 or 15 minutes. It's been 10 minutes that I've applied this sheet mask. अब चाहिँ म यो sheet mask लाई my face बाट निकाल्छु slowly. So okay, my skin was really refreshed and the way I cannot explain it in words actually, like I'm not getting that exact word, but yeah, you feel like त्यो refresh अलिकति अब हुन्छ नि अलिकति when you feel that अब भर्खर त्यो पानी परेर अनि त्यो बाहिर निस्किन्छ नि वेदर जस्तो हुन्छ नि हो त्यस्तै फिल भइरहेछ मलाई पनि. I cannot explain it exactly, but I hope you guys get it. अब सो यो अब बाँकी यसमा अझै there is so much of essence in this sheet mask, so म यसले चाहिँ I'll give just like मेरो नेकमा. Our body needs equal treatment. Face मा चाहिँ धेरै फोकस गर्न नि हुँदैन. You should love your body. You should love yourself actually. अनि हातमा पनि गर्छु हैन. Arms मा पनि. I open my watch. यसरी arms मा पनि गर्छु हैन. And then यसरी अर्को हातमा पनि. So yeah. मैले चाहिँ यसरी नै मेरो sheet mask use गर्छु. Actually मैले पनि एउटा YouTube, I just forgot the name of this channel, but there was this Korean channel and मैले त्यहाँ हेरेको थिएँ and they gave that tutorial, and this I have just been inspired by that tutorial and मैले पनि I'm just sharing what I know. So yeah, हजुरहरूले पनि यसरी नै sheet mask use गर्नुहोस् because skincare products are already expensive. अनि त्यसपछि अब why to खेर फाल्ने के किन यसै खेर फाल्ने. थोरै amount अब I don't know देखिन्छ कि देखिदैन हैन, but थोरै amount को यो product छ तल at the bottom, if you just can focus and see it, at bottom मा थोरै serum बाँकी छ, but still this serum लाई हामी छुट्टै किन्यो भने फेरि it costs us like literally too much. Pocket मा hole हुन्छ. So why waste it? So your serum लाई चाहिँ we can spray it the next morning, like I want to wait right now. म भर्खरै त्यो sheet mask लगाएको छु अनि यो लगाएपछि you don't need to use your moisturizer, just like you can feel your skin is like really moistured and good. अलिकति sticky feel भयो भने चाहिँ you guys can wash your face हल्का मात्रै, धेरै harshly पनि don't wash your face. So this is how how I use my sheet mask, and if you like the idea, even you guys can follow this. So yeah, do try this if you want to, and then share the results. And yeah, do like this video, share it as I always say, and subscribe to our channel. Keep loving us, supporting us, and keep waiting for the next video as well. Thank you. Bye bye.